we are assembling all of our kits for our event. So many people are not able to come because of COVID. So this is Midge and Madge. This is all their kits. Here's some of my kits. But I wanted to show you the real reason why I'm doing this video. This is, those of you who've seen my garage tour again know that this is just some of the stuff we keep at the house. But we decided, here, oh, there, look at my trash cans, everything you wanted to see. Okay, and ow, I just ran into the trash can. Just kidding. Okay, so now let me show you. Wait a minute, what just woke us up? Well, we were awake. Okay, it's 7 a.m., you guys. Good morning. Okay, Brian, what are in these boxes?
It's nothing.
What are in these, what's in there?
Nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting? I think we should open it up. Okay, so I do have to say they have changed their name, but all of these boxes, all of these boxes, this didn't come this morning, but every single person that are attending our event or getting their kits only will get something from this. Okay, Brian, what's in there? What did we have sent at a very, oh, what's going on? Brian was like, are you sure you want to tape this? Because we haven't even, oh, please.
Oh, just boxes.
No, honey. I'm so excited. I can't even do this. Wait. Okay, hold on. No, don't show yet. Okay, Mr. Weber, there's two different ones, remember? There's two different ones. Yeah. There's two different ones.
I don't know
Brian, okay, so, okay, show it. Brian, what is that? What is it? What? My memory albums came. Oh. Let's look here. It says TERESA Collins, designer, 8x10 photo member. You guys, my neighbors think we're crazy. Hello, neighbors. We love you. It includes 10 exclusive 4x6 photo sleeves. Yes, no pictures, Parats. You're not ready?
You're not ready for your close-up?
I'm not right. You know, we're the crazy neighbors. She's like, okay. Yeah. So this is Taylor's Cute Kids. You can see them in the photo sleeves. You guys, look. Oh, okay. Look at this, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Okay, look at that. You'll have to buy it to read it, but it's really cute, everything I said here. So, you guys, I love the size. I love the size. Do you want me to open one of these? Because I will. So, you're seeing my garage. I'm trying not to show you. What? Brian Weber, what? Can't I just open one? Hey, you know what? Actually, didn't you order? They're so limited edition, you guys, that I had these flown in. We had these flown in. Why did we have these flown in, babe?
Oh, I don't know.
The event. Okay. The event's in 2.5 weeks. They came today. So my question, Mr. Weber, I thought we had black ones too. They're in there somewhere. So I don't know where they're at, you guys, but this was, and a lot of you are going to be saying, okay, when can we get more? When are all of your albums going to be in? And you guys, they are on their way, but we had to make sure these came in. We were going to debut these in early 2020. By the way, there's page protectors in there, so I'm going to open this up to show you. As you can tell, I'm very excited. This was, believe it or not, this was over $1,000 to get these 4 boxes shipped here. 4 boxes, you guys, was over $1,000. So if you're wondering why we didn't overnight all of those so that everyone can order them now, they are coming. So you guys, do you want me to open this? Okay, so I took the plastic wrapping off. This is beautiful. So when I designed the wrap, I really wanted people to know, because I wanted people to know that they don't have to use this and make a mini book, but they can literally use the exclusive sleeves that come in here. There's 10 that comes with it. You can order more plastic sleeves. So this is an attempt for me to say, please print out your photos. I personally picked all the gold hardware to match my ones that I've done in the past. So here's the back. I'm like, show off yesterday, today, and everyday memories with photo memory album by TERESA Collins. These photo albums are the perfect place to keep all your photos together in one spot and off your phone or hidden on your computer. It features beautiful gold 3-ring binding to keep your favorite photos in a keepsake album. It has 10 plastic premium TERESA Collins photo sleeves and features a chipboard cover wrapped in premium paper. This album package includes 1 photo storage album measuring 8 by 10 inches and 10 crystal clear and ultra thick photo sleeves that will hold 40 4x6 photos. Okay, so imagine having your photo albums. Oh, here we go. So that was just, so you know, that just comes up, you guys, so you can fill this out. So let's say you're doing a special trip, a Disney album, whatever. You can, this is a piece of paper. It's hard to see that it is here, but it is there, so you can take it out that you can put there. And now I'm going to try to open this with one hand. So I am right-handed. I'm doing this all without my, okay, here we go. It's just, it's taped. The reason why we did it this way, just to be completely honest with you, is if I put a sticker on here, you guys, it's going to rip coming off. So we decided not to do that. So we have a wrap on here, and this comes off so that your album is not damaged when you get it. And so you will open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is for the protection of the album. And then this is another protection. So we had these on the top and the bottom. And then you guys, oh my goodness. So it says TERESA Collins. It does not have 8 by 10, but you never know. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I just went with 4 by 6 because I know that's the most. I did a lot of research, and that is the #1 what people do with their photo albums. So if you are wanting to do, I have added things in there, but I'm open to do that for 8 by 10. That's a great suggestion, and I will look into that. So you guys, these are thick. I'm not playing around. They are very thick. Your photos will go in to the left here. The reason why I did that is, yes, I could have done the top, but I decided that I found out in manufacturing that if I had them coming from the left side, instead of here, you don't want them to fall out. Obviously, you don't want it on the right side. I'm just kind of explaining how this goes. I went on this side. These are very, very thick. This album is 8 inches, 8 inches wide by 10 inches high. As you know, I've done my albums before. I actually designed them with We Are Memory Keepers, and they were such a success, but they were 12 by 12. I just felt like they were too big. So these page protectors, you get 10. It's all gold hardware. This, you guys, these, I'm not just kidding. These are, oh, there you go. TERESA Collins. I didn't want to have it. The reason why I also did it on the inside, you guys, is even though you may go, oh, great, I just felt like when you open your album, you didn't on the back of your album need a big old TERESA Collins logo. So it is branded TERESA Collins. It is on the inside. So yeah, so like this, so your photo sleeve is here, and it's very thick. Oh gosh, you guys, it's very thick. And all of the page protectors are, you can see here, they're branded with gold logo, TERESA Collins. You will be able to get more there. It comes with 10, so this will hold 40. And you guys, what do you think? I would really, really love your thoughts on this, because I really wanted to do something that I felt was needed, and I felt like 12 by 12 can be really big, but this way, if I had all these out, I could take all the albums out and I could line this up. I thought these were the perfect size for gift giving, for weddings, for memory books. They also come in black. So I went with 2 colors because I knew, and I didn't go with any colors. And you're gonna go, well, why didn't you go with colors? And I decided, so the spine, sorry you guys, this is called, just, you know, this is a wake up look for TERESA. I didn't go with any designs on it. I went with complete, what do you want to say? I just went with it to be very classic, timeless, and something that we will always keep in stock. So, well, obviously if we sold out, we would have to order more. But one of the things that I get so aggravated about is I feel like there are certain, okay, I'm just going to say it. There are certain things I will not buy from people, from companies. Things that I know that are like, oh, this is the latest and greatest, and oh, wow. And there was this company, and I think the company's great, but they came out with like a typewriter a few years ago. And I wanted that typewriter so bad because I was like, that typewriter is cute. But I didn't buy the typewriter, not because I didn't think it was a great typewriter, not because, but I knew that this company it was a one and done. They're going to sell it, they're going to promote it, they're going to have it around for a little bit, but then they're going to stop carrying the things that, if that makes sense. And so that is why I decided to go with the white, the black, the gold. But one of the things that I stay true to is my brand, my style. Someone tagged me and they said one word, stunning. And I love that. I messaged her back. I said, thank you. I take that as a complete compliment. So I will not be offering these in 20 different colors, 20 different sizes. No, I'm not. I'm going to, keep my, the aesthetics. They are 8 inches wide by 10 inches tall. They offer, the photo sleeves, and you'll be able to get those for me on my website. And so okay, I know the number one thing is going to be, when will these be in? These were flown in for my TERESA Collins event. And I decided this was actually going to debut in January of 2021. And I moved it up because I felt like, one, I wanted to teach with this. I wanted to debut it. You always get my husband always goes, oh, that gives competitors more time to copy you or to whatever. And I just felt like, well, I'm going to do it first. This is what I'm doing. I'm not, you don't have to buy a bunch of stuff to make it work. It comes with 10 page protectors. You can buy more page protectors. And I also did a black because when Tyler died, I wanted to do a memory book for him, and everything to me wasn't classy. I didn't want to do some weird plastic green or some weird, I wanted something that would be beautiful on our shelves. So I have the black, which I would use for other things other than funeral, because if you know me, very classic. I am absolutely loving how this came out. This is just a little example. I've got some photos in the sleeves. And you guys, it's just really, I felt like, why not? And so if you are coming to the TERESA Collins event and you bought the kit option, you will get those first. If you're coming virtual, I know that's going to be the thing. So many of you are still signing up, which you guys, trust me, you are going to, here we go. Oh gosh, you guys, sorry about this. I'm trying to, okay, here, sorry. You get to see the TERESA in the morning look. Okay, so if you're coming to my event virtually, you will get 7 workshops, and they will be online, and you can watch those live. And then one of the workshops is with this memory album that I did, a really big project. And you're gonna say, well, when can I get these albums? We are working on getting, we do big quantities, and so they are finishing up that order right now. This was the first batch. The rest are going to be coming. It might be 4 weeks. It could be 6 weeks. It could be 8 weeks. We don't know with COVID. In reality, right now, I have a huge shipment of brand new products that are stuck in California on, I want to say, the holding dock because of COVID-19. And that's just kind of the reality of what's going on. So can I tell you exactly when the rest of you will be able to get the memory albums? No. But the reason why I decided to show you was, honestly, like, if you're looking for something for gifts, wedding gifts. If you're looking for something that you can do, quality time, what is worth your time? You know, I talked about that a couple weeks ago on planning. What's worth your time? Photo albums to me is like, take the time, turn off the TV, turn off, you know, all the things that you need to. Start going through photos, print out your photos. Maybe you're going to give a book of just photos to your son, your daughter, your uncle, your aunt, your boss, maybe you're going to make a pet album. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I want to do. I'm looking kind of morning-y. See, that's a slang word. So I'm going to get off here. You have seen it first. I hope you're excited. Again, 8 by 10. They're not going to be available for a while. I shipped 4 boxes in, and one of the things I can assure you, so when I open up the TERESA Collins Create Your Story event, it is a creative event. It's all things planning, memory keeping, home decor, personal development, everything you could imagine all in one event. And when I open that up for the next year, it sells out, you guys. But we've also learned what we're going to do is we are going to, going forward, we will offer it first come after that virtual. So anyway, bye you guys.